we've heard you. And you know, with the higher cost of living and especially real estate, it does really feel like home affordability has decreased.
Well, what if I told you I could find you a home that is 8% more affordable than the average Fort Worth home?
Wait, no, it has to be something we gotta fully renovate, right? Something that we have to gut out?
Not even close. This is a 3-year-old home in immaculate condition with amazing features and a backyard that is so good.
Oh no, well, you gotta take me to this magical place. Where is it?
At Live Oak Creek, of course. Well, Ludwin, this is it. This is the one I've been talking about.
Okay, sweetie, well this one, oh, I love the curb appeal. You're not gonna be disappointed on this one. Great neighborhood, premium lot. Can't wait for you guys to check it out.
You're gonna love it.
Wow, Margie wasn't kidding about this one. This is a great single family move-in, gorgeous floor plan right here in the Live Oak community in White Settlement. As soon as you come through the front door, you're gonna encounter this very large foyer. Right off the side of it is 2 bedrooms and a full bath you're not gonna wanna miss. It adds this extra layer of functionality separate from the rest of the house. Once you walk through it, your journey starts right here in the living room where it's open concept galore, where you can enjoy friends, family, and a nice open space to entertain.
This kitchen is the heart of the home with amazing cabinetry, backsplash, counters, and can I tell you one of my favorite features is the farm apron sink. And you are going to love and enjoy lots of family gatherings in this large dining space. And once you're done entertaining and wanting to turn in for the night, you're going to love this owner's suite that's tucked in the back of the home. You're going to love this room. It has beautiful windows that let in natural light and has views of the creek. You're also going to enjoy walk-in shower and a walk-in closet. Now let's head outside. Check this out. Can you imagine enjoying barbecues, coffee, watching the kids run, and that view is amazing.
Oh yeah, it definitely is. Man, it feels so good to bring a home on the market that blew me away and is so affordable to so many families. Here at Live Oak Creek, you kind of get the best of both worlds. You get the quiet, peace, tranquility of a little bit of country living, and also really close to downtown Fort Worth.
And if you like a private showing of this home, feel free to email, call, or text me, and we'd love to get you connected. And to continue watching more house tours of homes located in Fort Worth just like this one, click the link attached. Also, and if you never want to miss a beat, what should they do?
Subscribe.